Mark. I am not. Maybe applying or अकाउंट अच्छी पांच टावर सेटअप करता
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के ऑप्शन मतलब है तो सेंटर भी भाई पूरा स्लो यूज
मैंने आंसर टावर सेटअप कर शुरू
ना ना टावर वही क्वालिटी से भी चल रहा है से स्लो के हैंग भी मत हो ऊपर ना टावर सेटअप बंदे से विजुअल को कितना कर याद में जो डॉन में ये जो कंसोल डाउन
है
जो आज में एग्जाम में एडब्ल्यू
एडब्ल्यूएस बनाने पे है उठे काम करियो उठे रेकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रही क्या दिखा ला देखो एडब्ल्यूएस में किसी पढ़ी से ना पढ़े ना टोटल जीरो नॉलेज ना तो जीरो नॉलेज एक्चुअली क्लाउड कौन कर रहे हैं आमे भी कौन करते व्हाट आर यू डूइंग इन लोकल सिस्टम करेक्ट क्लाउड सेम थिंग इज डूइंग करेक्ट बट क्लाउड को तमें पैसा देके किने अपेक्षा you want to purchase everything if tomorrow the requirement not there then what you will do tomorrow requirement is not there you are not using that hardware what you will do still you have to do maintenance you have to pay for that correct means it might be cooling it might be power it might be cable it can be manpower it can be anything building maintenance everything you have to pay for that but instead of doing this kind of a drama I have all ready to use things whatever you want you take if you want to use it you can use or might if you want to stop you want to not want to use you can cancel the agreement correct cloud is doing same thing now it means kalitar diagram thanks for this 2.10 about security you are purchasing the rent correct
as a youth and you pay.
it means there is three kind of four kind of structure okay one is IaaS infra service platform as service software as service one more is that function as a service you are using lambda correct lambda is what function as a service okay so it means cloud is giving this four kind of activity what do you want means you want to infra as a service I have it you want platform as a service I have that I can if you want software service still I can give to you if you want function as a service I have it I can what you want I give to you now if you look at this you can see this from some example See, cloud is providing four things, okay? It means one is infra as a service, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, okay? Platform as a service, that is PaaS. Then software as a service, that is SaaS. As a function as a service. Lambda. Right? Lambda AWS. That is, huh? अच्छी जगह नहीं है अच्छी. हाँ, so look at this. What is? We are here right now on premises, correct? On premises also application, data, permanent. Your application. No, listen first. Application means your Java application, correct? Any kind of PHP or .NET, any application you are running, you need for what? Data. You need one what? Runtime environment, correct? Runtime environment means JRE, Java, correct? It's very important. Python, you want to something, you want to install some package, package, any other modules. Okay. Runtime. Now you are getting some middleware. Middleware may be your something kind of firewall activity or security kind of things. This comes middleware. Now, after that, you have the OS, correct? On top of the operating system, you are doing everything, correct? Now we are doing same, na? Correct? Now, under the operating system, we have the virtualization. Oracle VirtualBox you are doing now. Virtualization. Why you are doing VMware? You are not using VMware. You are using what? Oracle VirtualBox. Now, similarly, on top of the virtualization, server, storage, network. Then these are the things you require first. From networking is what? IP address, correct? Networking is what? Networking means IP. Okay, networking means IP. Okay. So IP address, you want IP address, you want storage, you want server, you want virtualization, you want operating system, you want middleware, you want runtime, then data, then application. Then customer can access your application. These are things happening. But what cloud is telling? If you want infra as a service, I'll give you till this much. You can choose your operating system, Windows or Linux or any Mac, any other operating system. You can choose. You can do whatever you want. You can run your application. But still, on top of that, who are telling no, I want only the platform as a service, then I can give till this much. It means till runtime, JRE will give you everything. The operating system will give you, middleware will give you, JRE, virtualization, everything done. You run it. They will give you. I'll tell you, I'll show you some examples, you will get to know what is that. Then it's coming what? Software as a service. It means, let's example, you are using Teams, correct? You are using any Zoom, correct? What is that? The software as a service. You are not doing anything. Are to install and use, correct? Are you running any application there? No, correct? So he is giving everything. He is giving everything. I'll give you some examples so you get to know. Now you got to know what is infra as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Now I'll ask you to ChatGPT, give me some example. Huh? Give me some. Sound. Good examples for IaaS platform as a PA, correct? That is okay. Like, he sounds like infra as a service, platform as a service, software as a service in here. So, some easy to remember example. Service model, infra as a service, in what you manage. Okay, it means OS, middleware, runtime, application. Example, what is it? You can take a EC2. EBS, VPC, elastic load balancer, auto scaling. These are what? These are what? Infrastructure service. It means what you are doing. Here you are getting only EBC kind of things, correct? EBS, EC2 means what you are doing. You are installing some packages. You are doing whatever you want. Am I right? Now same thing on go. Then platform as a service. Platform कौन कौन सी? Na elastic, big stack, lambda. Lambda is telling. Lambda what is telling? Lambda कौन सी? I'll give you some runtime. Correct? Platform service कौन दो right? Look at this. Till runtime na. Correct? You are not installing any requirement of what? Java or Python, whatever it will come here. See, it will come here. It is. Now, if you search here, lambda, correct? Lambda कौन पूछ देखे? I will give you the runtime. Create lambda function. If you see what is telling here, what you want. You want Java, I'll give you this many versions I have. You want Python, I'll give you. Correct? क्या माने? Backend रे ये भी कोड उठा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज करते हो ना? तार रिसोर्स हार्डवेयर रे कोड उठा यूज करते हो. क्या माने? एट कौन है ला? Platform as a service. तार platform till runtime, and a runtime कोड़ा Java, Python, or might be तोरा Ruby, whatever .NET. Correct? ଆମର ଆମେ जो Tomcat install करते हैं, तो Tomcat backend रे कौन यूज करते ला? Java. Correct ना? हम application run करे पे, हमने तो operating system नोट ले, तापर Java install करते ले, तापर जाएंगे Tomcat install करते ले, तापर जाएंगे deployment करते ले, तापर हम application को access करते ले. But एटी कौन कोई? I'll give you everything. You deploy your application. You write your code and deploy it. I'll give you everything. Correct ना? Same thing. What else has it? Okay. Lambda, correct? Same thing. RDS, EKS cluster, managed control plane. Okay. Now, software as service what? Software as a service, something. Amazon QuickSight. There is one more resource is there in AWS. That is what? Whatever. Oh, QuickSight. QuickSight also, I'm not sure what it is. I think this is for the what? Paid account. This is a free account, correct? What is QuickSight? Business intelligence and data visualization service. You have to create data dashboards. Okay, if you want to create something, any custom dashboard, something like that, you can use that. Okay, that is enough. You can use something like that. Okay, now you can go through that. Okay, service movie जानने ला. If you are asking, I'll be blank. Go back to movie जानने का ना. It has more than 200, 300 services. Each service में काम करते हैं, I can show you. आपको तो R&D करके देखे तो, but if you are telling, why this is what this that is what, I'm sorry. You got telling. Look at this. What is telling? IaaS examples. कौन कला? ना infrastructure service से कौन कौन आया? EC2, EBS, VPC, load balancer, auto scale, elastic AWS direct connect. These are the what? Infrastructure service. Okay. Example, you can launch EC2 instance and install what? Like see कौन कुछ? तो हमें EC2 instance में create करते. You are choosing the operating system, correct? Whether this is a Amazon, Red Hat, or might be Ubuntu or say Windows, any operating system you are choosing, correct? So same thing is telling you have to choose your what? You have to choose your operating system, install the Docker, install Kubernetes, install Nginx, Jenkins, whatever you want. You are the responsibility for OS update, security patches, software installation, application deployment. Correct? You are doing the same currently. Now, this is SaaS, infrastructure service. And a till operating system you will give you. After that, what you need, you have to do. Is it clear? Okay. Task kongala, AWS manages infrastructure for you. Tamane, OS patching, security, OS upgradation, or any other OS related activity is managed by the cloud only. You are not managing. Is it clear? Now see what is studying. AWS Lambda. Lambda is OS searching. Are you choosing any operating system? No. Correct? But it's giving till the runtime. Runtime means Python, Java, whatever things is there, you can choose and run your application. Same thing what is telling Amazon RDS, App Runner, Fargate. Fargate means the ECS Fargate is there. Fargate ala, then to Docker use koso. Similarly, you can use Fargate ECS in the AWS. Amazon MQ. Okay. Now, example, Elastic Beam. You upload Java or Python application, AWS automatically create a check. Move backend रे से code ना code उठे खेला करो. बिना operating system तो चले हो नहीं ना. But you have to pay for that. Thomas ने free account for the some circumstance, it's okay. But regularly करा दे, होगा नहीं ना. You have to pay for that. Organization level, you have to pay for that. तो आपने कौन केला? Configure the load balancer, set up auto scaling, monitor health. Now, this is what? This is for what? Platform as a service. Okay. MySQL. You are not using any what? Operating system. Directly you are going creating database. You are using what? MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server. Then AWS handles what? AWS can handle also backup, patching, high availability, storage scale. Everything is handled by the AWS. বুঝিপাইলে কোন করছি কোন কলা দেখ তুই ডেটাবেস নউଛୁ তুই তো ম্যানুয়াল ইনস্টল করଛୁ শুনছ না তুই তো ম্যানুয়াল ইনস্টল করଛୁ তো অপারেটিং সিস্টেম রে দেন ডেটাবেস প্যাচিং তু করিব ডেটাবেস অপারেশন তু করিব স্টোরেজ প্রোগ্রাম তু করিব এনি অদার কম্পোনেন্ট লিখে high availability that is your responsibility but you are leaving to the AWS is doing it. It's managed by the AWS only. Clear? Software kongala. Now AWS example. QuickSight, Watchdogs, Amazon Prime, something blah blah. You can see. Example non-AWS. You are using Gmail, Microsoft 365, Slack, Zoom, Salesforce, GitHub. Correct? GitHub is a software. Non-AWS. And I non-AWS. মানে AWS নো মানে সে एग्जांपल ଦେଇଛି ତମେ AWS ର एग्जांपल କରିଦେଲା ନା
ଜିମେଲଟା ଗୋଟେ SaaS ଯୋଉଟାକି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛେ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟା SaaS
ଏବେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବୁଝ ନା TCP ଆଉ UDP with difference ନା
TCP is connection oriented, UDP is connections.
ଉଦାହରଣ
For example, YouTube is operating on TCP, whereas the gaming the PUBG or BGM that is operating on running on UDP, right?
you are calling over the phone mobile phone connection oriented no hang on দেখ কথা হতো কল ড্রপ হয়ে গেল কথা সবাই that is UDP for email CCP email যদি send properly no হলা তাহলে bounce back হবে বুঝবেন
Hey,
পাগল নিছো
কথা তেরেইবু তাহলে না চেঞ্জ হবে না চেঞ্জ করি
okay now see now come to the actual see cloud ray AWS cloud computer cloud ray I have so many features okay so many features means I have the resources you can choose what resources you want compute you want storage you want object storage you want networking everything else will be okay. So you can see if these are the resources. Look at this. If I go to the compute, correct? If I click on the compute, under the compute comes, look at this. Look at the compute. This is the compute section. Okay. Under the compute, what is coming? AWS App Runner, Batch, EC2, then EC2 Image Builder, Elastic Bean Stack, AWS Global View, Lambda. See, Lambda is coming under what? EC2 on the correct? On the back end, ওটা করছি তো EC2 উঠবে না রান করে এখানে কানেক্ট করে দিব না লাইট সেল হোয়াট ইজ লাইট সেল লাইট সেল কোন না লাইট সেল যেমনি EC2 ইনস্ট্যান্স আমি লঞ্চ করছো exactly light cell put say but this is only applicable for the paid account not for the free account hala tamike dekh suppose create you have no instances tamane konosi EC2 instance nai it's same thing instances containers database network storage create instance এটা দেখো create instance kale you have to pay for that some ketara instance ketara jinse pe dabo but what is the difference between choose your platform pick your instance name then choose your platform select blueprint either you can check what LAN blah 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 these are the things now you can ask here what is light cell what is light cell single word light cell form light cell goes to a simplified cloud service that lets you virtual servers, database, storage, networking, predictable monthly pricing. It is designed beginner, small project, simple application. You can see something from YouTube देखियो why we are using light cell. Okay, EC2 instance you are creating EC2 instance, correct? Then why we are using light cell? Then what is the difference between that? Okay, some difference will be there. You can see that. Okay, now from here. कौन कहला ना इको go the containers container section में कौन असला like ECR elastic container registry what is ECR means the docker image ଆମେ store କରୁଥିଲେ କୋଉଠି docker ହବରେ out ଦେଖଉଥିଲେ nexus ରେ store କରୁଥିଲେ correct nexus ରେ store କରୁଥିଲେ but cloud କହୁଛି I have my private registry you can store here that is called elastic container registry okay similarly କହୁଛି ECS elastic container service our elastic Kubernetes service
Yes.
then one more is coming on Red Hat OpenShift so OpenShift so if you want to use Red Hat OpenShift you can use one from here and it allow
OpenShift also we can store.
OpenShift store can do you cluster setup cluster setup करो
हाँ सेंट्रल में बहुत जिनिस ଅଛି
चाटा बदलाव कौन चाटा
ମାନେ
बदलाव
OpenShift ଭଳି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ନାହିଁ
cloud ଭିତରେ कौन cloud ଭିତରେ ई केस
ହଁ
ଦେଲା ବା
Elastic container ସବୁ
ତାପରେ
Kubernetes ଟା କାହା ଉପରେ Kubernetes ଟା କାହା ଉପରେ Hey, copy Kubernetes from ହଁ ନାଇଁ କହିଦେଲା ବି ସୁଙ୍ଗି କହିଲା ସେ ପାଣ୍ଡାବ
see
ଗଲା ଭାଇ ତ
now you can see
ସରିଗଲା ସେଟା
these are the what these are the resources okay because of the application integration stack blockchain application business what is cloud financial management compute ଏବେ ଆମେ ଯିବା networking section but before that ତମକୁ task ଦିଆଲା what is region what is availability zone you have to go through this region more small example କହିଦଉଛି your VPC is region specific your subnet is availability zone specific okay then region कौन availability zone कौन region मैंने भावे मोर मुंबई region अच्छी नॉर्थ वर्जीनिया you come here नॉर्थ वर्जीनिया को रोज देख मुंबई है मोर गोटे डेटा सेंटर अच्छी डेटा सेंटर माने सेठी उठे मोर भावे डेटा सेंटर माने I have a storage okay so that is my region ले due to disaster management ମୁଁ କଣ କରିଛି ନା सेम टाକୁ ତିନି ଭାଗରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ ତାମାନେ ମୋର ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ରୁଟ ଅଛି ପୁନେ ରୁଟ ଥିବ ଆଉ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ନାଗପୁର ରୁଟ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକେସନ ଥିବ ତାମାନେ